Good morning. It's June 29, 2023. I'm Ricky Gaspard, and we are in pre-market this morning. It's 7:44 a.m. A little late getting this video started, but I want to show you how I make a lot of money in pre-market. So if you watched my last video and created this watch list, and if you watch my video on my pre-market scan, you should have a scan set up like this. And I will link all these down in the bottom below the video. So what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to sort by volume from highest to lowest. And I know these stocks don't have any volume, but that's what you're waiting for. You want to watch the spike list over here and watch for one of these lower volume stocks to fire off. They could have news come out. It could be, I don't know, a pump and dump, but I usually don't get into them if I can detect them. But once you see a spike take off on these lower volume stocks, go over and look at it and see if it's going to continue to go up. I watch the volume spike numbers here. If it pops up but it doesn't move like this stock here, I don't worry about it. But if it pops up and it continues to rise, then I'll click on it and go take a look. And you can see that it's starting to come up. I don't know that it'll continue. That's why I stay on this chart over here, this watch list, and wait for the numbers to continually rise. This will allow you to get into the stocks when they first take off. Volume in pre-market for a reason. And maybe the traders are waiting on news to come out or whatever the case may be. But this is the whole secret to pre-market trading, is to sort by volume, watch your volume spike indicator, and wait for them to take off. They may only have 50,000, 100,000 shares traded, but if everybody gets on it and starts buying it, you'll know right here that, hey, this stock is taking off. Here's an example that I did this morning. I purchased RNXT, and I made $70, $71 on it. It's not much, but I made something. And RNXT, let's go look at it. And you can see where I purchased is right here when it first got a spike. And I got out over here. And it's continuing to move again. And you can probably monitor it. It's actually at the top of the list now. But I was able to get in way early on this stock and ride it up. I waited until I seen the volume take off and I got in. I could have got in earlier, but I gave it a little bit of time just to make sure, and I got in. But that's the whole secret to pre-market trading, is to sort by volume, wait for these spikes to occur. And I mean, news could come out. You're not searching all over the internet for something that's going up. You're sitting here and you're waiting for the stock to trigger. And it's that simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to get back to trading and make some money tomorrow on pre-market. See ya.